In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change button text in Softer so you can customize those labels to say exactly what your users need to see. Softer is a powerful no-code platform for building web applications, and getting your button labels right is one of the simplest ways to improve how people interact with your site. Clear, action-oriented buttons guide your visitors naturally through your app, whether you want them to learn more, sign up, or get in touch. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Softer account. Once you're signed in, look for the Application section in the left sidebar. That sidebar is your main navigation hub inside Softer, so you'll use it constantly. Click on Applications, and you'll see a list of all the applications you've built. Take a moment to find the specific application you want to edit, the one that contains the button you're looking to update, and click on it to open it. This is your project's dashboard, where all your pages, blocks, and settings live. Now, to get to the button, you need to navigate to the page that holds it. Still in the left sidebar, click on Pages. This will show you every page within your application, like your home page, about page, or any custom pages you've created. Click on the page that contains the button you want to modify. It might be a landing page with a call to action button, a contact page, or a sign up page. Once the page opens in the main editor area, you're ready to find the specific block. Inside your page, you'll see various blocks. These are the building blocks of your layout, like text sections, images, forms, and of course buttons. Locate the block that contains the button you need to change. It could be a dedicated button block, or a button nested inside a hero section, a card, or a list item. Click directly on that block. When you do, you'll notice that the right sidebar changes to show you the settings for that specific block. This is where all the magic happens. With the block selected, look at the tabs at the top of the right sidebar. You'll see options like Content, Design, and maybe Advanced. Click on the Content tab. That's where you control what the block actually says and does. Now scroll down through the settings until you find the section labeled Button. It might be under a heading like Button Settings or simply Button. Here you'll find a field called Button Text. This is the current label that your button is displaying. Click inside the Button Text field. The existing text will become highlighted, ready for you to replace it. Simply type the new label you want to use. As you type, you'll see the button on your page update in real time. This live preview is incredibly helpful because you can immediately see how the new text fits inside the button shape. If the text is too long, it might wrap or look cramped, so this instant feedback lets you adjust on the fly. Keep your wording short, clear, and action-oriented. Think "get started" instead of "click here to begin the process." The goal is to instantly communicate what will happen when someone clicks. Once you're happy with the new text, take a moment to double-check that the label accurately describes the action. For example, if your button is meant to submit a contact form, "send message" is clearer than just "submit." A good rule of thumb is to use verbs that match the user's intent. Now, before you publish your changes, it's wise to preview your application. Look for a preview button in the top right corner of the soft editor. It might be an eye icon or simply say preview. Click it to see how your application looks to a visitor. Check the button on different screen sizes if you can, since what looks perfect on a desktop might be too long on a mobile device. Softer's preview mode often lets you toggle between desktop, tablet, and mobile views. If the text still looks good, you're all set. After you've confirmed everything is polished, you can publish your changes. In Softer, publishing is usually a single click, and your new button text will go live for all your users. To recap, you've learned how to change button text in Softer by logging in, opening your application, selecting the right page and block, and editing the button text field in the Content tab. This small customization can make a big difference in how users navigate your app, turning vague labels into clear calls to action. As a next step, consider reviewing all the buttons across your application to ensure consistency. Maybe use a style guide for your button wording. And if you ever need to revisit this process, you now know exactly where to look. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you build a more user-friendly Softer app. If it did, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.